Explore the world with Tyndale.
We are at the Lekki Conservation Center, Lagos, Nigeria. This is where nature and wildlife are being preserved. It's a sight to behold. It holds the longest canopy walk in Africa and the second in the world. Let's experience what the center has to offer.
Upon entry into the Lekki Conservation Center, local and international visitors are welcomed by an array of coconut trees which lead to the parking area. From this area, peacocks and monkeys can be seen gallivanting freely around the premises. Development of the center began in 1985 following the first endangered species degree as an initiative to protect the wildlife found in Nigeria's southwest coastal environment. Located on the Lekki Peninsula and covering an island area of 78 hectares, it serves as a refuge to the wetlands there, which are made up of swamp and savanna habitats.
Now at the foot of the Canopy walk, deep inside the reserve. We have tourists, we have visitors around, and we have a couple of tour guides and Mr. Tayo, the media person for the conservation. We're about to go on the Canopy walk. Here goes nothing.
The wetlands are used for wildlife viewing, and this is achieved with the help of the raised canopy walk, which is the longest in Africa and second longest in the world. Movement on the somewhat intimidating canopy walk provides an intimate view of the animals in their precious habitat and also gives a refreshing overview of the town and its environs. The center has a visitors center, picnic area, and children's play area with 9 giant floor games.
Explore the world with Tigger.